I wish I could give you some money, or... Well, you know, I might have something of interest. Some fat feller and his wife had a pig farm, northeast of Rhodes, near the border with Roanoke. Word is, he's got piles of money.
You sure I'm the right person for this sort of information?
I ain't saying nothing. Do with it what you will.
Und da können wir sowas von gut plündern. Aber sowas von. Gehen wir ein bisschen Geld verdienen.
Yep.
Jep. Hi.
Hey there,
Und Schmidt.
girl.
Thank you.
Just keep out of sight for a bit.
Oh, I intend to.
You done good, girl.
Bambies.
Yeah. Hey, move!
Entschuldigung. Move on. Hello, Friends. Habt ihr mich schon vermisst?
Yeah.
Stimmt's für euch?
Hi, Arthur.
Good evening.
Posted that letter for you. Thank you, Mr. Morgan. Anytime.
Oder so. Ah, okay, ja voll.
Hey,
Schon?
Arthur.
Yeah.
So, tell me, is your people Jacobites or English lovers, Arthur?
My people were peasants. We had no time for politics.
My dad would say that no politics was politics.
That old world bullshit, it ain't got no place here.
Haha, den Hut.
Because there ain't no judgment here. Most folks hate the Negroes, they hate the Redskins, the Jews, even us Irish. You ain't so free of politics.
I hate everyone just the same.
Same.
Well, in
Same.
that case, you're gonna want what I just found for us.
What's that?
I was riding round a couple of days back. I come across this old cabin. Couple of fuckers lazing about outside all liquored up. I didn't think nothing of it. But then I come across this hunter down by the river. He tells me they're a stick-up crew. Says they hit a train a couple of days back near Emerald Ranch. Nice fella he was, shared a bottle we did. Then I robbed the bastard blind.
You believed him?
No reason not to. If he's right, it'll be a big haul for us. I saw 3 of them, maybe more, but I reckon you and me, we could take them real easy.
All right. What the hell? Let's go check it out.
Them sons of bitches think they're mean. They're about to get a lesson in mean.
You just keep your cool, you hear me?
Zuerst gehen wir noch etwas abliefern. Weil wir so lieb und loyal sind.
Right, follow me.
Ja. Follow me. Follow me, everything is alright. I'll be the one to take you in at night. And if you want to leave, entspann dich. Entspann dich. Find nobody else like me. Menno. Kollege, darf ich deinen Hut?
Hello, Tilly.
Hi.
You got a plan for that moonshine?
I'm working on it.
Ja, und dann haben wir nochmal eine Pendenz. Und zwar die Auktion da mit den Schöfchen, die wir geklaut haben. Oder zurückgebracht haben. Pilgrim! Wo bist du, Baby? Pilgrim! Ich höre ihn irgendwo. Ah, dort hinten.
How far is this place?
Bit of a ride. Not too bad. Back up north the stretch, not far from the state line.
Alright.
Ich will wissen, ob ich immer noch so sliden kann. Warte, wie ist das gegangen?
Yeah.
Ah, genau.
What's the hold up back there? Can't you just
Spandy.
ride with me?
So.
Easy.
Wieso bist du
So.
da oben gewesen?
What were you doing riding around up there anyway?
Sniffing around, looking for a take. I got a long nose for these things. Dutch has always honoured us to get out there and bring in money, ain't he? Watch it.
And rightly so.
I ain't like some of them others back there, sitting around waiting to be told. I go after it.
I see you sitting around plenty.
I mean, I don't need no coddling like the rest. Dutch knows my value to the cause, as from the moment I met him.
You tried to kill him, if I remember the story right.
And he kept me around, didn't he? He saw something in me. He said as much. Morgan.
I'm sure. Dutch is good at seeing things in people. And while we're talking about money, you are clear on how this works. We split half. Other half goes to the gang. Dutch keeps all our savings hidden in a safe spot outside camp.
Yeah, I know. How many times you have to tell me? What's that box by his tent for then?
Camp funds, supplies, and the like. In fact, you don't know that suggests you clearly ain't put much in it.
I always pay me way, don't you worry.
Das Gleiche habe ich vorher auch gedacht.
You're sure you scoped this place out right?
Yes, see? That's why I wanted you along for this. You're still a doubter. I ain't just some dumb kid. I've lived a lifetime of shit already.
And you sure don't keep it bottled up inside.
What about that train job with the oil wagon? Made a good show in there, didn't I?
You got knocked out.
Ah, that's what you choose to remember. We got paid. We got out of there.
Got knocked out in Blackwater, too, didn't you?
Yep.
Now that was bloody chaos.
Did you get split off with Mac?
No, didn't see him. I lost your boys at some point when he was getting out of town.
Ja, und jetzt ist
They
schon gut.
caught up with Mac a couple of days after. Davy was finished by the time we got up the mountains. Jenny didn't even make it that far.
Those bounty hunters strung me up. Beat me, pulled teeth, burned me feet. I didn't breathe a word about nothing, I swear.
Good.
And it's time folks stopped giving Dutch a hard time about all that Blackwater business, if you ask me. The man's not a fortune teller. You can plan, you can use your head. All right, that'll have to wait. We're nearly there. Hard left coming up. All right, it's going to be off the road up ahead.
Cool, das trifft sich sehr gut.
Up here, Morgan.
Wir müssen dem anderen dringend einen anderen Hut organisieren. Oh. Da haben wir ihn wieder!
Hey,
Yeah!
look
Warte, haben wir den anderen auch noch? Der Crocodile Dundee Hut. Nein, aber das ist auch egal. Da ist eh der coolste. Okay, lauf.
Let's leave
Hello?
the horses here and go the rest on foot.
Okay,
Don't
ich
want
glaube,
them
sie
to
hat eh
hear
keinen
us
Bock.
coming. Here, I'll deal with them. Let's make sure we keep one of them alive to tell us where they stashed the money.
Hope you know what you're doing.
Ich bezweifle schwer.
Look, there's one of them outside. This is good.
It is?
Leave it to me. I'll do the talking. You hang back.
Ja, voll. So unauffällig.
Hey there!
Hello,
Oh,
my friend.
I want to give you about 5 seconds to get...
coming up east.
What? Where?
Kenn halt nicht.
Right here. Heads up, Arthur. Here come the rest of them. Watch it! They're coming out!
Da hast du mal wieder sehr elegant gelöst.
More coming out of the woods! Left of the house!
Servus, my friend.
Look out on the right! Still got more inside!
Nerv nicht.
You're the only one left! Give it up now!
Okay, I give up. Don't shoot. I ain't armed.
If you want to leave, you'll tell me where that money's stashed.
Well, all right, take it easy. Behind the wall in the bedrooms, if you stick your hand between the gap.
All right, you go grab the money. I'll keep an eye on Sunshine here.
Was du gerne machen
You know
wir da?
what? Just get the hell out of here and don't look back.
Hat gesagt, im Schlafzimmer ist der Big Money. Irgendwo.
So, here we are. We got some good stuff.
Why don't you see what else you can find, Sean?
Hallo.
Told you we'd take him, no problem, didn't I?
You did good. Let's see what the pay is first.
Dug this up all by myself. A proper lead.
All right.
You heard him, right? He said the stash was behind a loose board in the bedroom.
Wo hat's da lose Bars in the bedroom?
You find anything yet? Don't want to overstay our welcome, do we?
Ah, wahrscheinlich da.
This is more like it. Good work.
Hey, what about my car? I found a place, didn't I?
All right. Here. But don't forget to give the camp its share.
50-50,
Don't
hast du
care
gehört?
about magic, you know.
All
Gell?
right. Don't need the lecture again. See you back at
50-50.
camp.
Ich warne dich. Ich gehe es gerade
Never know what
prüfen.
folks got stashed. There's gotta be other places out there like this.
Kentucky Bourbon. Ja, eh. Was ist da gestanden? Revolvermunition. Okay. Haben wir schon mehr als genug. Wir haben es glaube gesehen. He? Der hat nicht mehr viel Schlaues zu bieten da rein. Tschüss. du so? Was sind da für X'li da am Boden? Sind da die Leiter? Sieht gerade so aus, oder? Auf der Map. Gut, dann haben wir jetzt, glaube ich, alle geplündert. Gehen wir wieder.
Gier. Ja.
So, jetzt gehen wir wirklich mal zu dem hohen Hehler. Da haben wir schon seit 4 Jahren oder so vor gefühlt. Ja, liegt ja um die Ecke, ne? Liegt ja um die Ecke. Ja.
Help me!
What the?
Easy. Help me! Help! Help! You okay, mister? I'm gonna die!
Oh man. Oh man.
Please. I've been bitten by a snake.
Ach du Scheiße.
I need medicine.
Da.
Drink this. It'll help.
Der muss wehtun. Ja.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh. I owe
good.
you one, mister. Got that right. Hopefully, I can repay you someday.
Ja, voll.
Now,
Geht's
I gotta
gut?
get out of here. Don't
Ist wieder besser.
much like it. Out here.
Brauchst du einen
No
Ride,
more.
Junge.
Just stay the hell away from snakes, all right?
Ist gut. Kannst laufen, Kollege. Wo ist mein Pferdli? Aha, da vorne. Mach die Augen auf.
Idiot.
Jiha!
Yep.
Ah, da.
Yep.
Ja. Es sieht so unnormal cool aus. Ich muss das Detail wieder auffüllen. Aber ich weiß nicht wie. Ich weiß nicht wie. So.
Yeah.
Immer noch nicht. Was ist denn da? Der hat eine starke Schlangenöl. Stellt der da komplett wieder her und verstärkt das etwas. Da bringt nichts. Ich muss den Kern auffüllen. Ah, ist er nicht da gewesen mit dem Essen? Also Lagerfeuer machen und... Moment.
There we go.
Probieren jetzt einmal. Wir probieren jetzt einmal. Da. Herstellen, kochen. Kaffee. Ja, da stellt ein bisschen Kern wieder her. Okay. Chin Chin, auf dich. Yes! Ah, cool. Cool. Gut, dann müssen wir aber bald wieder Kaffee kaufen. Yes, yes. Mental Note. Kann ich das Lager wieder abbrechen da?
You all right, girl? Yep.
Yep. She's alright.
Buddy?
Earth?
You there! Got an explanation why you're here?
Whoa, whoa!
Kann man helfen?
Yep.
Den halt nicht. Hello, Buddy. Buddy, Baby, Buddy. Ah ja, bei dem gehen wir die Schulde eintreten. Genau. Und nachher zum Hehler. Du?
You Chick? I was told I could find a Chick Mathews up here.
Chick Mathews? Might want to talk to that fella over there. Nah, I'm just here to work for the season.
Okay. Danke. Du?
You Chick Mathews?
Oh, no, not me, sir. That's the greenhorn over there. Oh, and there he goes.
So
What?
Damn it!
What?
Get back here!
Wir haben uns voll verarschen lassen.
Money. Yeah!
Wow. Oha! Oha, was bist du für ein krasses Pferd, Pilgrim?
You all right, girl? You don't want to get me angry, boy.
Sure we shouldn't have left me then.
You make me go much further, I'll get more than a debt off you.
Money's mine. I'm keeping it.
Ja.
Last chance to save your hide. Stop!
Don't you give up.
Da, Mann. So. Und jetzt? Und jetzt? Und jetzt? Und jetzt? Hä? So. Hast du auch ein bisschen Spaß hinter mir? Hä? Hast du auch ein bisschen Spaß? Da hast du jetzt davon.
Blow me down.
Be a man about this.
Ja, der Spaß von meinem Leben geht so
I
geil.
got the money, but it's hidden. Untie me and I'll tell you where it is.
You're
Schwör?
no place to bargain, boy.
Get the
Schwör?
ropes off already. Just untie me, I'll tell you.
Wir plündern den.
Okay. There's a map. It's in my pocket.
Trau dir
Damn
nicht mehr.
treasure hunt? You're lucky I ain't taking your teeth as well.
Du kannst mit einigen Gegenständen in der Tasche interagieren. Halten rechts gedrückt, um die Tasche zu öffnen, und drücke X, wenn du die Gegenstände ausgewählt hast. Losschneiden. So nämlich. Danke, Buddy.
I'm honest. Really. For the most part.
Junge. Der will es wissen. Gib uns das scheiß Geld, Kollege. Junge, verarsch mich nicht. Ich mein's ernst.
Well, this is real characteristic. I promise. You'll find it there. Everything. I promise.
Okay. Ah, wir hätten ihm einfach ein bisschen folgen, Mann. Oh Mann.
I knew I
Ruhigst du
shouldn't
wieder,
have
Jessie?
borrowed.
Ganz ruhig, ganz ruhig. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Ciao.